We are currently standing in Driftwood Point, one of the most highly desirable places to be in North Santa Rosa Beach, right by 30A Grand Boulevard and Sandestin. We're so excited to show you our newest listing here.
And one of the main features is an unbelievable over half an acre lot. And the backyard is truly amazing.
So let's go check it out.
Come on, let's go, Christina.
Let's go ahead and check out this beautiful 4-bedroom home, but it does have an additional bonus room that could be converted into a 5th bedroom. This is the space right when you walk in. You have a coat closet here on your right. And then this is the bonus room that I was talking about. They're currently using it as an office, but you could close this in. It has a window, so it could be converted into a 5th bedroom if you needed the space. Coming into our main living space here, we've got a beautiful open layout. And as you can see, the highlight of this whole house is this beautiful kitchen. This kitchen is all brand new, including the light fixtures. It is absolutely gorgeous. And you do have a nice little coffee bar over here as well. And you're also looking out into amazing natural light here with all of these big, beautiful windows, your own screen porch, which we'll go out to in just a minute, and a huge backyard. Just gorgeous. And we've also got a beautiful fireplace here as well. Now we're gonna move along into the primary. Right off the primary here, we do have the laundry room and the entrance to your 2-car garage, as well as a little pantry here as well. And here we are in your primary suite. You have your own entrance to the screened-in porch from the primary with a beautiful private view. And I think another amazing highlight of this house is this primary bathroom. Beautiful double vanity, and you've got this amazing shower and tub in here. Absolutely gorgeous, newly remodeled as well. And you have a walk-in closet as well, which is amazing. Another thing I really love about this house is it has a split floor plan. So your primary bedroom is on the other side of the house from the rest of your bedrooms, which is something that a lot of people really, really love. Here we've got our first guest bedroom towards the front of the house. And this house also has a lot of amazing closets. We've got a closet here that is a walk-in. And then this one has a Jack and Jill bathroom that enters into one of the other bedrooms. So I just left that one. Here's this Jack and Jill that shares a room with our second guest bedroom here. And you've got another closet in here as well. And then we've got another bedroom back here with its own bathroom. So you've got 2 bathrooms to share. And here is the last guest bedroom. Now what's cool about this one is it doesn't have 1 closet, it has 2 closets. So we've got 1 closet here, and we've got another closet here for more storage, which is amazing. Plus, you have another linen closet in the hallway as well. Now I'm gonna go to another highlight of the house. This house has many highlights. It has many amazing features of what people really are looking for in a floor plan in a home. We've got a screen porch out here absolutely beautiful. And then we've got the highlight. I keep saying highlight. There's many highlights of this home. We've got really an amazing, huge backyard. You definitely have room for not only a pool, but a really, really large pool. This is over a half-acre lot. And if you know Santa Rosa Beach, having a backyard the size of another lot is very rare here. So if you have dogs, if you want a pool, this is really an amazing space here in Santa Rosa Beach. It's so unique. And you've got this amazing screened-in porch for more outdoor living space. You are just minutes from Driftwood State Park, which offers pickleball courts, tennis courts, a basketball court, a playground, and a large open field for all kinds of outdoor fun. There is also a bay access off of Mack Bayou, and you are a short drive to our beaches in Miramar Beach or on Highway 30A. You also have Grand Boulevard and Sandestin Resort really close that offer shopping, dining, entertainment, and a movie theater. So this location is truly amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching another video on our channel. I'm Christina, this is Sabina, and we are a mother-daughter real estate team here on the Emerald Coast. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at any time, and we'll see you in the next video.
Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss and goodbye.